Nigerians, we are our own problems. We are the architect of our own problems. We have not yet recovered from CBEX. And like I told you, whenever a new scam is launched, they always look for content creators in their target region. That is why YouTubers like us, we get messages every time. And that is why it is not every video you see a YouTuber making, advertising that thing, that it is genuine. That YouTuber may have collected money from the scam company and is advertising that product to you, because many people only care about themselves and their pockets. They don't care about you. Look at this strange number from the United Kingdom. According to YouTube policy, I cannot show their number. That's why I saved the number, so that you will not see the phone number. It's a UK number. Look at how the conversation started from here. He said, "Hello, are you a YouTuber/blogger? I just saw your work and it feels great. We happen to have a cooperation opportunity here. I would like to ask if you are interested." I said, "Interested in what?" He said, "Dear, can I place an ad on your channel? This project is very good." That's what he said there. Then I went further to say, "It's very good to you, but I don't know anything about it." Then the person gave a website, avalancheweb3.com. He said, "Please check it out, dear blogger." I said, "Can I have a Zoom meeting with the CEO?" Listen, he didn't say anything. He said, "This means you need to make such a video and then publish it publicly to your channel. Cooperating with us, you will get two kinds of income. Advertising cooperation fee, that means they will pay you to make that video. Second, subordinate recharge recommendation bonus." Can you imagine? That means that they will pay me to do the video, first of all, free money. Then anybody that I'm able to deceive to join, I will also earn commission. I now said something. Listen to what I said. I said, "I want to confirm if this is legit. I need to have a meeting with those in charge. Can I call you on video, because I don't even trust the person I'm talking to? See you people and know if this is another Ponzi scheme." That's what I said. Then look at, he said, don't worry, we can assure you that this is a safe platform with normal withdrawals every day. We will not do anything illegal." He said, "Hello, there's no video call in Tongi." I don't know what Tongi is. He said, "The Avalanche blockchain platform and its native token Avax was launched in September 2020. These Ponzi schemers, they will choose a particular crypto. They can call it Bitcoin Matrix, or they'll call it Ethereum Matrix. When you are now asking, is this your Bitcoin Matrix legit? They will say Bitcoin is very legit. It is the first cryptocurrency in the world. Oga, we are asking about your platform that is using Bitcoin. Don't attribute Bitcoin legitimacy to your platform. Your platform does not own Bitcoin. This is the same nonsense that Sui Bison did. If you are asking, is Sui Bison legit? They will say, Sui is very legit now. They will now be telling you the history of Sui. They will be telling you the history of Sui. They will be telling you the history of the currency that they are using to scam people. It's like a scammer trying to collect your money through Naira. And you now say, "Are you legit?" You say, "Naira is very legit now. Naira is the currency of Nigeria." That's what this joker is telling me. He's telling me the history of Avax. Meanwhile, they are a company using Avax to scam people. I'm asking you, are you legit? You are telling me Avax as a currency is legit. Now, see the most painful part. He said, "This kind of high profit investment will not last long. The website will be closed sooner or later, but I will notify you before it closes." I will do what? Notify you before it closes. Meaning that all those YouTubers advertising Ponzi schemes to you that you are falling for every time and it eventually collapses, they know. See, it is another different ball game if you don't know. Oh, you thought something was legitimate, you promoted it, and people eventually fell victim. God will forgive you because you didn't know. You were also a victim. But in this particular case, the YouTubers that are promoting such platforms have already collected a bribe. They know when it will collapse, and they deliberately push you inside, collect the bonuses, collect the advertising money, and lead you to the slaughter like a sheep. That is premeditated scam. All right. And you know this person sent me a video earlier. See a video. See the kind of video he's asking me to make. Look at it. He sent a video. Look at the video here. Look at the video. So this is obviously a content creator in this country who has collected money from them to do this kind of video. You can imagine. That is the video they sent. So you see, these people are just after your money. Content creators like this, they just want after your money. They collect money from scammers. They sell the scam to you. When you join, they make bonuses, and the all parties share the bonuses, and they go to sleep. You can imagine. This one now has collected money from them to make a video for them and probably put on his channel to attract people. A platform that the person himself chatting me boldly made a statement like this. Look at this kind of statement. That it will not last long and that they will notify me before it closes. You can imagine. I now went to CoinMarketCap to go and look for Avalanche, the coin itself. I said, is this your coin on CoinMarketCap? The clown said yes. You understand? Then I now said, it will not last long, but you want me to promote it. I said, why is the website on CoinMarketCap different from the one that they sent to me? That is from this that they sent to me. You know? Instead, he said, yes, we can work together and earn commission. I said, I'm not interested. And he said, okay. You can imagine. So this is what we deal with every day. This is not the first of its kind. But the major reason why I decided to make a video out of this particular one is because they are already collaborating with your favorite YouTubers, channels that you are following. And this is a potential scam, and they will collaborate with more. Let's listen to what this YouTuber has to say.
Boss about this new platform called Avax. Some YouTubers are saying you can stake USDT and earn daily returns. Now,
be careful, guys. Don't follow influencer hype. Victor Isibor, I'm out.